Today we're making soft, fluffy, homemade marshmallows. And trust me, once you try these, you'll never go back to store-bought. Start with a large saucepan. Add in your sugar, 190 milliliters of cold water, a pinch of salt, and some golden syrup or corn syrup, whichever you've got. Stir gently over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Then crank up the heat and let it boil without stirring until it hits 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius. In your mixing bowl, we're using the Halo Pro Spiral Mixer. Sprinkle in the gelatin and pour over another 190 milliliters of cold water. Let it soak for a few minutes. Then give it a quick mix on low speed for 30 seconds to combine. Once your syrup hits 240 degrees Fahrenheit, take it off the heat and carefully pour it into the gelatin while the mixer is running on low. Then, turn the mixer up to high and let it whisk for 10 minutes. After that, go full power for another minute or two until the mix turns thick, glossy, and super pink. If you want to add food coloring, now's the time. Next, add in your vanilla extract and whisk for one final minute. Grab a 13 by 10 inch pan. Something like the Ooni Detroit style pizza pan is perfect. Lightly oil it and dust it with icing sugar. Pour in the marshmallow mixture, smooth the top, and dust it again with more icing sugar. Let it sit uncovered at room temp for at least 9 hours, or just leave it overnight. Once it's set, run a knife around the edges and flip it out on a sugar-dusted board. Coat your knife with icing sugar to keep things from sticking, and cut into squares. These homemade marshmallows are super soft, pillowy, and perfect for gifting, or just eating straight from the bowl. They're best enjoyed fresh within a few days, and you can store them in a sealed container for up to 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes like this.